Good morning.
All right, good morning. My name is Amsekrama. And of course, I want to greet Nigerians and diaspora, Nigerians anywhere you're watching me from. This is Amsekrama live and direct. You're talking to this morning. Good morning.
Okay, this is Inside Nigerians. And I want you guys to subscribe and like and comment on this page, whenever we drop new videos. And firstly, Nigeria legend, an actor, Amaechi Muonagor, died yesterday of partial stroke and kidney disease. What can you say to this?
All right, I want to say this to the public. See, these Nigerian actors are not doing well. They are not performing well. I know when I heard that Amaechi is sick. I know when I heard it that he's seriously ill and sick, and Nigerian movie actors, they were hearing what they do to come on social media to just post their wealth. But if any of their colleagues is sick, they disappear, which is very bad. Even, you just imagine all Nigerian actors. Oh, I'm talking about all Nigerian actors, both Yoruba and this thing, donating 1 million to Amaechi Muonagor. What do you think will happen? We will rescue his soul. That's the truth. But right now, because when you are down, nobody comes closer to you. When you are down, everybody leads you to your own decision. When you are down, nobody wants to get closer to you. That's exactly the reason why Amaechi Muonagor died. Because no money for treatment, nothing. That's the truth. Nobody can convince.
I think he even came out last week to seek for donation.
Because Nigerians are very funny. All these actors, what you just see them is just to make noise. They make noise. They are too stingy. I'm talking about Nigerian actors. Another one that I'm looking at is Kemowo. Kemowo is too stingy to the bone marrow. He has never brought out anybody. But anyway, that's own business. Let's not go there. But what I'm trying to say is that all these actors, it's high time they should all work together.
Help themselves.
See what they can help themselves with. Look at Amaechi Muonagor. The other day we went to bury Mr. Ibu. Amaechi Muonagor. Who's going to be next? That's the question. It could be you. It could be you. It could be you that refused to help.
And yesterday we heard the news in Kaduna that the kidnapped girls were finally released. But different media outlets they were putting out different numbers. And some said 137, some said 200, some said 300. But the most important thing is that the girls are finally freed from their captivity.
Now let me ask you, why is it that it's only in northern side they are kidnapping these girls? If the kidnappers are so effective, why is it that it's only in northern area? The North people should spare us their cock and bull story. All these are powerful politicians over there kidnapping these girls because there are people in government that is kidnapping them. We know all these things. Why is it only North? So those guys, they
So do you see that as RNG? Like it's something?
Yes, of course. The government is using them to make money. These people are the top of government. They collect money from government. It's a systematic way of making money from government.
But I think as a last week, but the president came out to say that he's not going to pay any ransom. That he believes that.
So let's forget the presidency because his own is just, I call him, it's just like statement of an old man. So statement, the president can say anything. That's what I'm saying. Because why is it? Ask yourself a question. Why is it that it's happening only in the north? Why is it not happening in Imo State, in Benin, in Edo, in this Kebbi State? Why only not? That means to tell you that those powerful politicians there, they are using it to make money, to reap from government, to make money from government. So Tinubu is just a coward. It's high time he opened his eyes to know that these people doing these things are members of his cabinet. But he doesn't want to.
Doesn't to make money, to extort.
To make money. We can extract something from federal government. You can imagine if I kidnap 200 and something, tell government to pay me 10 billion. What do you think?
I think the kidnapper, I think they asked for about $1 billion for them for the
girls. Man, so let's leave all the spare this story. We all know where this thing is coming from. Why is it that anything happens in the east, they will be very fast? They are the man soldiers. That's the problem with this country. If it happens in the east, all the old soldiers in this world will be there. If it happens in Niger Delta, all the old soldiers will be there. But it happens in the north. Come on, spare me that your cockapoo story.
Okay, and lastly, the president has come out to say that for us to sustain, the naira gain, that Nigeria should buy local-made products and goods. Do you not see this statement as hypocrisy?
Yes, of course, because even him, all the expensive cars that he's buying, why did he buy it in Nigeria? Why did you go to Innocent Motors? These people, they are sometimes here. I don't understand how they think. Why don't you go to Innocent Motors? Patronize made in Nigeria, but you go to outside. But for the now, you are telling me to patronize for local something.
Even for medical trips and
yes, I don't want to call
you see them, these politicians.
You go for medical trips abroad, and now you are telling me to come and buy local products in Nigeria. Who does that? Please, if he doesn't have anything to do, let him go and look for what to do. You don't say out statement because you want to come. You don't just push out statement because you want to say out. You must always think of the statement you want to say. Is it a mature statement? So I think the president on this side did not issue out a mature statement. That is a child statement. Thank you very much. Until next time I call your way. My name remains MC Grammar.